Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I was at Walmart and I was looking at the hard tools. Actually, I was in the tool section. Came across this. This is Hart's heated jacket kit. It says runtime is up to 8 hours. I don't think it actually comes with the battery, but so it's got adjustable heat settings. It's got 2 heating zones, insulated and laid with. Hey, if you guys, I've actually seen these at the Home Depot from Milwaukee, but I've always wondered whether these work as good as it's advertised. Do you guys have any experience with this? Like, if you guys have this jacket, definitely like leave a comment in the comments section. So just let me know like whether it's worth buying. It's like $149, $150. It is pretty expensive, right? It's pretty expensive. But trying to figure out, like, I don't want to spend like $150 on this just to try it out. But if you guys have this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section, guys.